Starting today, you can make your body burn fat faster, and it's way simpler than most people think. We're counting down 7 small tweaks that quietly flip your metabolism from store mode to burn. Each one builds on the next, like a chain reaction, and 2 of them are so simple, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. Let's jump in. 1. Move more without working out. Fat loss doesn't only happen when you're sweating at the gym. Most of your daily burn comes from all the non-exercise things you do. Standing, climbing stairs, pacing during calls, EAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and it quietly decides whether your body stores or uses fat. Sitting for hours slows blood flow and tells your body to hold on to energy. But even light movement, stretching, standing, pacing, keeps your metabolism awake. Make it automatic. Stand during calls, walk while your coffee brews. Take the stairs on purpose. These tiny bursts send your body a steady use fat signal all day long. 2. Hydrate and drink cold water. Cold water gives a small metabolic boost because your body burns energy warming it up. But the real win is hydration. It sharpens focus, curbs fake hunger, and helps your body perform better. Dehydration often feels like hunger, which is why you crave snacks even after eating. Stay ahead of it. Sip water throughout the day. Add a pinch of salt or minerals if you fast or go long between meals. Start your day with 1 full glass. Your body treats water like Wi-Fi. When it drops, nothing works properly. 3. Get morning sunlight. Just 5 to 10 minutes of daylight on your eyes resets your internal clock. It lifts cortisol in the morning when it should rise, lowers melatonin, and tells your brain daytime mode on. This simple habit aligns your hormones, which helps your body burn energy more efficiently and curb late-night cravings. Step outside with your coffee. Stand on the balcony, or just sit by a bright window. Even cloudy days count, it's brightness that matters. 4. Eat protein first. You don't have to skip carbs, just change the order. Start your meal with protein and fiber before diving into carbs. Why? Because leading with carbs spikes your glucose, which triggers insulin, your storage hormone. Start with protein and you'll steady your blood sugar, stay full longer, and protect lean muscle, your calorie-burning tissue. Simple swaps: have eggs before toast. Add Greek yogurt before oats. Eat chicken or fish first, then rice or pasta. That small order change tells your body to burn, not store. 5. Walk for 10 minutes after meals. Don't wait, just walk. A short 10-minute walk right after eating flattens your glucose curve and keeps insulin calm. That means your body switches back to burn mode sooner and you avoid the post-meal energy crash. Even a quick hallway walk, kitchen cleanup, or chasing laundry counts. Try it after each main meal for a week. You'll feel the difference by 3 p.m. 6. Get 1 real night of sleep. You don't have to fix your whole sleep schedule. Just give yourself 1 night of real rest this week. Sleep is your metabolism's reset button. Miss it and cortisol rises, hunger hormones spike, and your body clings to fat. 1 calm night can undo days of imbalance. Dim the lights, cool the room, and skip the doom scrolling. You'll wake up less foggy, less snacky, and already burning more efficiently. 7. Do a 60-second resistance burst. This is your metabolic multiplier. 1 minute of simple moves, squats, push-ups, wall sits, or stair climbs can reignite your fat burn any time of day. It signals your muscles to pull fuel from your blood, lowering insulin and firing up metabolism again. Use it after meals, after sitting too long, or when cravings hit. Just 60 seconds, no gym needed. Stack it with the earlier habits and your body becomes a fat-burning machine without feeling like you're working for it. Final words. 7 small switches, 1 big shift. You move more, hydrate better, catch morning light, eat smarter, walk post-meal, sleep deeper, and spark your muscles daily. Together, they flip the signal from store to burn. Effortless energy, sustainable fat loss. You've got this, 1 tweak at a time. And hey, if this helped you finally understand how fat burn really works, hit that like button, subscribe, and watch my next video on the early signs your body has switched to burn mode.